So look at this one. All right, big boy and big girl, boots required. The client is to receive a medication at 2.08 milliliters per minute. The drop factor of the infusion set is 15 drops per milliliter. How many drops you gonna set your pump? So for drops per minute, the formula for that is the total volume times the drop factor over your time in minutes. Now look, I realize people will put two fractions here and put the drop factor over their favorite letter of the alphabet. But if you give me two fractions, I'm going to freak out because I don't know whether to find a common denominator or cross multiply. And so I just do my best in life to not have to work with more than one fraction. I can do this. So look, the total volume they gave us is 2.08 milliliters per minute. And so that's what we're going to use. The total volume is 2.08 milliliters. And the drop factor is a 15 drop factor. And how is that going in? Over 1 minute. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do all the math on the top. Are you nervous? Okay, no, you're not. 2.08 times 15 equals. And then just divided by 1 because we can. You see that's going to be 31.2. But you cannot give 0.2 of a drop. So, you know, to round, if this is 4 or less behind this decimal, it's not going to do anything to the number in front of it. If it's 5 or higher, that's going to go up. That would go up to 32, and you wouldn't put a decimal and all that. But the 2, it ain't doing nothing, so we're going to let it go and put 31 drops per minute. Okay? You believe me? Is that what you got? Look. We saved another one. Yeah. Okay, simply how we roll. All right. Now, this one says the client is receiving an infusion at 75 milliliters an hour. And the infusion set has a drop factor of 20 drops per minute. How many drops you gonna set the thing? How many drops per minute are they receiving? So here's our thing. And the total volume that we have is 75 milliliters going in over 1 hour. Sometimes they'll say you got 1,000 milliliters infusing at 75 milliliters an hour. That's what you're going to use. Watch. The total volume is 75 milliliters. And the drop factor is 20. And then what's the time? 1 hour. It's got to be in minutes though. So it's going in over 60 minutes. And then we're doing the math. This times that. And then dividing it by 60. Let's do this. Like Olympic gold medalist. 75 times 20 equals, don't look, because you're not done. Divided by 60. Look at there. It's got to go in at 25 drops per minute. Look. Boom. We saved them. All right. How you feel about that? You feel good?